The Tesla Model S is a fantastic vehicle, but after 11 years, the design is getting a little old, and there are lots of Model S's on the road. So we compiled a list of the top 5 mods to help you stand out. We also included one big one as a bonus. This is not a sponsored video, and we don't make money on links. This is just good old gearhead guru advice from experience. So let's get straight into it. First up, stance. It's hard to alter a factory suspension, and an aftermarket suspension system often doesn't ride as well. But you don't have to worry about that with Intuitive. Their brilliant solution allows you to retain your factory suspension components and still get the aggressive lowered stance you're after. Their lowering kit fools the factory system into thinking it's too high, and the factory system lowers the car down. This is achieved thanks to little adjustable links for the sensor arm. Intuitive states that this modification takes between 30 and 40 minutes with basic hand tools. Unlike other brands, links can be adjusted without removing them, and the 5 preset levels eliminate the need for measuring with a caliper once adjusted. Links from Intuitive are available for all years and will set you back around $460. Just ensure you select the correct year when ordering. Another great way to make the Model S stand out is with wheels and tires. Wheels and tires can make or break a car. We don't care if it's a Toyota Yaris or your Model S. Upgraded wheels totally transform the look of any vehicle, and there are tons of options available for the Tesla. One of our favorites is the forged Vossen EVO 5R wheels. They are offered in a monoblock or a 3-piece design. Vossen Sight provides the correct fitment for the Model S with a staggered wheel package. Vossen offers this particular wheel in 19-inch to 24-inch and various finishes depending on whether you opt for the monoblock or 3-piece design. Stepping it up another notch, let's take a look at wraps. One of the best ways to stand out is to do something with the car's exterior look. Custom paint jobs are extremely expensive and can make a huge statement, but they can take a long time and require a lot of care. Vehicle wraps, on the other hand, offer a more affordable way to completely customize the exterior in just a few days. We've all seen company trucks wrapped with logos, images, and anything else they want to advertise. Why not put some of your own personality into your exterior? There are amazing solid colors available, or you can create custom graphics to take it up another notch to make a statement. Vinyl technology has come a long way, and a decent wrap should last around 7 years. They are also available in gloss, matte, chrome, semi-gloss, and patterns. The possibilities are endless. If you're still hungry for more exterior mods, let's turn our attention to aero enhancements. The body lines of the Tesla are already very appealing. The car's design flows well from front to back, and the lack of a front grille gives it a unique look compared to most other vehicles on the road. While there's no shortage of body kits and aero components for the Model S, we have focused on highlighting a quality kit here. Our favorite aero addition is the Autobahn front diffuser from Unplugged Performance. Constructed from pre-pegged carbon fiber and Kevlar reinforcement, this front splitter will hold up to whatever you can throw at it on or off the track. The diffuser can be installed without filling any holes by using factory mounting hardware and 3M automotive tape. With the Plaid's 200 mph capability, the diffuser is designed to significantly reduce front-end lift at higher speeds and lower the amount of air being directed underneath the car. Perhaps the most unique feature of this product is the included adjustable aero pads. These pads adjust the diffuser's length for track or everyday use. The pads come in half and full height lengths and are considered a wear item. After you've blown people away with the car's exterior, it's time to personalize the interior a little. The large touchscreen dashboard is appealing, and the interior has a modern and high-tech feel, but the wood-grain dash trim almost seems out of place. RPM Tesla has the solution. The interior kit is a pre-cut vinyl overlay for every piece of wood in the Model S's interior. This vinyl kit can change the look of an already beautiful interior, available in black carbon fiber, matte matrix black, and satin white. The kit for the Model S includes 12 pieces that cover the full dash panel, center console, door trims, C-pillar covers, and front and rear cup holders. Installation is as easy as cleaning the panels, peeling the back off of the vinyl, and using a squeegee to apply the new covers. This kit is currently on sale for $101. As an added bonus, we've added one over-the-top modification. The following modification is not for the faint of heart. The Model S Plaid is one of the fastest production vehicles out there right now. We've all seen videos of unsuspecting passengers being subjected to the violent acceleration that the Plaid is capable of. Still, there aren't many videos showing the reaction to a vehicle that can stop just as fast. This brings us back to Unplugged Performance. They have a super light carbon ceramic big brake kit. The big brake kit almost doubles the pad-to-rotor contact patch over the factory brakes and fits within the standard wheels. The kit weighs 25 pounds less. The reduction in unsprung weight will also increase the efficiency of your Model S and make those launches feel just a little faster. Stopping a 5,000-pound car with the acceleration and top speed of the Model S is no small feat. While your factory braking system is certainly up to the task on the road, if you're tracking your Tesla and pushing the car to its limit, this brake kit is a must-have. Different pad compositions are also available and should be taken into consideration when making your selection. While the most aggressive pad seems like the most fun, race pads need to be heated properly before being put to use and will cause sparks when applied in the most extreme conditions. When ready for a modification like this, replacing your brake fluid with a higher boiling point is necessary. The brake kit from Unplugged Performance will set you back anywhere from $8,800 to $9,200 depending on pad composition.